Hey everybody, Kurt here from Paradise Adventures. I'm out here camping at Sprout Lake in Port Alberni, and I'm in my rooftop tent, my overland rig there, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to show others who camp with dogs in a rooftop tent. So I camp with my dog here. There she is, there's Diamond girl. So she's 5 years old. She weighs about 60 pounds, half Border Collie, half German Shepherd, and she sleeps with me in this two-person Burmese company outdoor tent. So when the first couple nights I slept in it, I was able to just kind of lift her up and put her inside, but she would not come out, and it was a big struggle. And I know other guys out there can just lift their dogs in and out, and I don't have a problem lifting her in there, but she doesn't want to come out. So what I did is I built the ramp. So it's laying on the ground there. And what it does, the ramp comes up and leans against the stairs, and she can walk up and down. So right now it's folded in half. So I'll just show you how I put it together. Okay, so there it is set up. So as you can see, I got it resting on the extension ladder to the rooftop tent, and it just goes all the way down. Now it's 8 feet long in total, and all I did, so the original, when I built it first, I used 2x4s for supports on either side, and then I have a 1/2 inch piece of plywood underneath, and I just screwed it to the side rails. And then with the extra pieces of plywood, I cut strips to help so that she's got some grip to go down. And then the mat is a nice textured rubber matting that I found at Canadian Tire up here in Canada, and then I just cut it to fit. I think I bought 3 mats fit, and I cut them in there and stuck them in, so it's nice and grippy. And then I took my air stapler and stapled and glued the mat to the plywood. So it worked out great, and then I found it was way too heavy, and the 2x4 on either side was just too much. So what I did is I went back and I took that 2x4 and just ripped it right in half. So now it's more of a 2x2. So if you want to build this yourself, just get yourself a 2x2 with a 1/2 inch plywood, an 8 foot by 4 foot sheet of plywood, and you cut it right in half, because this is in 2 sections. So it splits right here in the middle. Each section is 4 feet. And then all I did was screwed on these supports. So again, a 2x2 support screwed into the one side, so it's supported here. And then I just drilled a hole here and here, and those are 3/8 inch bolts that I ran through, and then I just tightened them up on either side. And then on the back side, let's flip it over. Is I added these hinges right here, and that really helps with the support, as well as it just folds in half right together, and it keeps it neat and tidy. But it's super strong. I just painted it black on the 2x4, sorry, on the plywood. And then the railing's white to match my truck with all the trimmings, white and black. And it seems to work great. Super strong. Like you could walk up this yourself, and she does okay with it. So if you've got a rooftop tent that is pretty much level with your box or even a little bit higher, you can use this ramp idea that I built. So that ramp's 8 feet long. I imagine if you've got a rooftop tent that's going to be higher up, you're going to have to build it longer. You might have to build it in 3 sections. You definitely could build this in 3 sections and use multiple hinges. So I hope you like that idea. If you do, give it a like, subscribe if you already haven't, and we'll see you on the next adventure.